Yes, friends. So, as you know, to generate the organization structure, let me go to the organization and just click over the organization chart. Right. So, as you can see that the organization chart is there. Now, this organization chart is according to the designations. Right. So there is a director designation, right? There are a set of other designations, and you can expand this way, collapse, expand, right? So these are the all the same level designations. Well, after this there is a engineer, right? So in fact here we have set the designation parent child relationship, and that you can I'll show you how you can set it. But before we'll go for that, I would like to show you some of the good features of this chart. Say for example, if suppose you want to begin your chart with this particular designation, then just double click over here, right? Or say wait, what's happening here? Let me yeah, it's working, right? So now just you click there, and then this will be with this kind of structure. If suppose you want to have the hierarchy from this designation, then just click over here, and then it will be from this, right? So as of now this particular designation is not having the children's, otherwise this also will have the root structure of this. So this feature will be helpful when you have number of more and more employees, and you're not able to view all the employees in a single screen, and you would like to bifurcate the charts into the small trees, right? So at that time you can use this kind of feature, right? And now let us go to the control panel and payroll setup. There is the drop down list hierarchy, right? So let me go to the drop down list. I have to select the designation here. My lookup type will be designation. So as you can see that I have a very limited number of designation entries, which you can see over the chart, right? So what we have done is the root designation will not have any parent ID, so it will be blank, while the other designation will have a specific parent, right? So when you are adding a new designation, or you can also even modify the parent ID of the designation. So let me show you how you can add a new designation with the parent ID, right? So just go to the drop down list, add new item, and I'll say designation, enter the designation name. I'll say clerk, the description about the clerk, right? And then here you have to select the level. So as of now there is no any effect on the organization chart of level, but somewhere it is being used for kind of other structure displayed. But the important thing is the parent ID, right? So who is the parent of this particular designation, right? So who can be the parent? So you based on your previous designations, you can set the parent, and this way it will be in the organization chart, as you can see here, right? And let me go for the other chart. The next is organization structure, right? So there is no much difference, but in the previous chart there was employee photographs and employee detail, while in this chart you have only the list of designation hierarchy, right? So this is also important for the recruitment plan and also, right? So let me show you this kind of report, that the location wise organization structure, right? So you can use the location wise organization structure for main power planning. This is very important for the main power planning. So as you can see that I have selected the Ahmedabad. So for this particular location there is no any the director, right, and there is no manager purchase. So for this department there are no employees. So the blank areas, that means the according to the organization structure there are no people, right? So those people are not there actually. So this way you can display the branch wise chart. There is an employee but there is no the photograph uploaded, so the default picture is coming, right? The next chart is reporting person wise structure. It is nothing but a reporting structure, and through this report you can see that who is reporting to whom. Sorry. Yes friends, so as you can see that inside the reporting person wise structure or reporting person structure, as of now all employees are coming at the same level, right? All employees are coming at the same level, right? Why? The reason is we have not set the reporting person's hierarchy so far, right? We have not set the reporting person's hierarchy so far. So what we have to do is, the first thing we have to set up the reporting managers. Now let us set up reporting managers. So how you can set the reporting manager? So let's go to the employees, and what I'll do is, the simple way is I'll just export all my employees into Excel. So I say export to Excel and I say okay. So this is giving me the Excel. I'm sorry, this one is previous one, Excel. Yeah, okay, perfect, right? So I have the data in my Excel now. Okay, so I know that this person is having no reporting manager, right? So the employee ID of this person will be same as the reporting person's ID. What I'll do is I'll add one more column here, and I'll copy this and I'll paste it over here, and just for this kind of reference I'll just highlight this, right? So for this employee the reporting person is this, right? Now let me remove these fields. Now as you know, the designation or organization structure is very easy to decide according to the designation. Let me take this column from here to here. Sorry, I missed the names. Let me roll it back. Okay, perfect. Right, so as you can see that the manager production will have the director as a reporting manager. This person will also have the director. All the managers will have director as a reporting person. The manager IT will also have the director, right? Now we have to see the department, and according to that we have to set the reporting manager. So as you can see that the manager production is coming twice, right? But still let me take this. Right, so this production manager production and people, those who are working under the production department, right? So as you can see that this fellow assistant manager is working under the production department, right? So what I'll do is I'll give him productions head, make the reporting manager this way, right? And okay, the second is this person is engineer and is of the production department, so I can take any person from this, and let me take the employee 200 as a HOD of this person who is working under the production. And now this person is also under the production, so we can change the employee ID for a while, and let me take this person who will come under this. Okay, and now let us talk about this person. Oops, I made a mistake. Right. So he is assistant manager again. Right, and with the same department, production, right? So what I'll do is I have to select the same person who is manager production will be the reporting person for this person, and this person is of finance, so I have to take the maybe I can take manager. There is no any finance head, so what I'll do is let me take the manager purchase as a finance head, so for the reporting person of this particular assistant manager. And now there is a manager sales. For manager sales, the director will be the reporting manager. I'm sorry, I have made a mistake. No, it's okay, perfect, right? And then this person is again under the production, and I'll take the employee ID 24. It's assistant manager production. Right, so what I'll do is I'll assistant manager production, so I will select the manager production, or maybe I can take this manager production here, right, because we have two production managers. Okay, so this is I have just set as per the the hierarchy in my Excel. Now what I have to do is I have to go to the software, the software manager HR, and according to the employee I have to select the HOD. So now this is employee EMP00. So it's very easy. Let me tell you how you can do this with a fast way. So let's take this employee, the reporting manager is this, just select, go to the reporting manager, click over here, you will get a pop-up, just enter the employee ID, actually I'm running so many applications concurrently, so my machine is too slow. Yes, perfect. Select this employee and I have to just submit the report. Let me select another employee ID. Now the employee ID is 002. I just have to enter over here, just enter. I will have employee in my search item. I'll just click over here, So this way you can find employees. And let me select the reporting manager. Just employee, select the employee ID, and I'll just submit the report. Right, so let me finish this process, and then let us see that how the chart will get printed. Yes friends, so now as you can see, I have set reporting managers of all employees. Now let's go to the organization reporting person by structure. Okay, so I think it is working. Perfect. Right, so as you can see that this employee 10 is having the designation director, and these are the managers, right? Manager sales, IT, marketing, right? This way, and the this person designation is if suppose you want to see the structure designation wise, so this person is having this many employees. Oh, these employees having too many assistant managers, so that's why the structure is something like this. Right now, suppose you have the long hierarchy and you want to you need the structure with this reporting manager. Just click over there. Now the structure, the subtree has been created from the root, right? So if suppose you need the structure from the root again, just click that. And if suppose you want to see the let me just reduce the width of my browser, so we can see the structure. Right, so this way you can generate the organization trees, right? And in the coming videos we'll see other employee approvals and the transactions with these HRMS. Thank you friends.